Bon Odori Festival is back in Penang after 2 years of the COVID-19 pandemic. Since almost half a century ago, this Japanese cultural festival has been widely celebrated annually in Malaysia. With years of anticipation, the recent Bon Odori Festival has attracted more than 20,000 people gathering at Penang's Esplanade on 30th of July.
And I find it more crowded this year compared to the previous years.
After MCO 就是第一次参加这种大型的活动啊。
因为已经2年没有做了，所以就没有参加过，然后很好奇这个文化是怎样的。
之前有看过网络上有很多就是有关端午节在马来西亚举办的这一些活动嘛。当我来到槟城求学的时候，正巧有这个活动，所以呢，我就心血来潮之时就前来那边。
我觉得很特别，然后大家都可以穿到好像日本人这样，也是一个很开心的一个节日啊。
Very fun and interactive.
We passed by and we saw so many people, so we decided to stop and have a look what it is all about.
可以了解到日本的文化。
I think the local people can touch the culture of Japan. They may have an interest.
Bon Odori evolved out of the Odori Nembutsu, a popular Buddhist chant and dance. It is a traditional dance featured in Obon, also known as Bon. Obon is a Japanese Buddhist custom that has been celebrated for more than 500 years in Japan to honor the spirits of one's ancestors.
Our ancestor is very busy. Malaysian Hungry Ghost Festival, you're having 1 month, right? But in Japan, we only have 3 days. We offer something as well. This cucumber is considered a horse. Horse is very fast. Our ancestor, please come as soon as possible. And then this, the eggplant, to tell the ancestor the last day, please go back slowly. It's like a cow.
However, in Malaysia, Bon Odori is not only a dance to welcome the spirits of the dead.
In Malaysia, actually we are celebrating this festival as a cultural festival. Actually nothing to do with the worship things, because already 2 years they never have this experience, and the Japan travel restriction is so difficult, they cannot go Japan. So I think everybody is looking forward for Penang Bon Odori to have a chance to experience the Japanese food, Japanese performance, and the Japanese workshop.
The purpose of organizing this large-scale Japanese-based festival in Penang is to promote and enhance relations between Penang and Japan. This is one of the many steps we progress to make Penang a more family-centric state. We can allow the young and all the other age groups to come together for common vision.
My child is half Malaysian and then Japanese. When my children were very small, I wanted to show her the Japanese culture, so I brought her a couple times. Even though I'm living in overseas, but still, when I hear the drums, it reminds me, this is something like a little Japan.
Because I stay alone, so I miss my family.
Yes, this festival reminds me to Japan.
I have been outside of Japan more than 10 years, so I miss Japanese society. I want to say to the organizer, thank you very much to have a chance to wear yukata and the kimono. Definitely all Japanese people living in Penang are super happy today to come here.
Bon Odori Festival in Penang is also a major event that attracts not only the locals, but people from all around the world.
People from even not from Penang, but all over the world are here. So I think it's fun.
确实很多人出席，而且路上都很多车大赛车。I see a lot of foreigners here.
This one also good to attract tourists come to Penang. I also want to invite my Indonesian friends to come here to Penang, because Penang is called the Pearl of Orient, right? Yeah, so many good things in Penang.
Yes, I like it. I really like it. So for me, it's new. We speak a lot with other people, around here, and some from Japan, Chinese. I've always seen. It's really nice. So to meet other people and to speak to other people.
I heard about this event from my colleague, and he said that it's beautiful and big event for Japanese culture. So I wanted to be part of something like this.
Because of this major event will help boost of the Penang state economy.
During the event, aside from live performances and yukatas dressing experience, a variety of Japanese foods, games, and souvenirs were displayed along with some local booths, allowing people with different backgrounds to exchange and share the culture and joy together.
把这个活动搬来这里的，也可以说是一个非常好的经验，让我们大马的一些子民啊，通过这个活动，能与当地的日本人共襄盛举，了解这个文化。你看我身上穿的这些汉服呢，就是以华人的身份呢，就是前来这边参加，希望能通过这场活动呢，能带出一种文化之间的交流。
Of course, the origin is start with the celebration with their ancestral spirits, things like that. But it has gone beyond that. Very special festival that we do not care about what religion or what race, whether you're foreigners or Japanese, we can come together to share this celebration. This is the festival of togetherness.
Everybody will wearing the yukata, dance round and round together. It's like we all are the same.
文化跟文化交流是很重要，在人与人之间。
As you see, I'm a Muslim and I also wear the yukata. Everyone can feel and also can absorb any culture around the world.
Of course, a lot of tourists are surprised that this could be one of the biggest Bon Odori outside Japan. So we should not say, oh, these are foreigners, these are local. No, they have stayed with us for so many years. We are one. Now, Penang, we should be proud. We are very cosmopolitan and also international.
Thank you for participating in Penang Bon Odori. We're looking forward to see you again in 2023. ありがとうございました。
Reporting to you from HCUC News.